After your in-home installation is complete, we will revisit your home to permanently bury the temporary cable that was laid on the ground during your installation. This may take 2 to 4 weeks and is dependent on the completion of the utility locates as well as the weather. While you will be notified of this work, you typically do not need to be home for us to complete this activity. We will ensure that all underground utilities are located and marked using flags and paint that will fade or wash away. This helps us avoid hitting any lines when we dig. Please do not tamper with any of the markings to ensure your safety and the safety of our crew. You are also welcome to mark sprinkler heads, electric fences, or other objects we'll need to avoid on your property when we dig. Once locates are clear, we will bury the service drop. After we bury your service drop, we will do our best to restore your landscape to its previous state. This work may be weather dependent, but we will track any necessary restoration work and ensure it gets done. Please note, when the ground is frozen, a temporary service drop laid above ground may need to remain in place for a longer period of time during the winter months. Rest assured that we will monitor ground conditions and ensure that your temporary service drop is buried correctly as soon as the weather and ground conditions permit. Please keep in mind that you won't be able to test underground sprinkler systems during the winter months, so it may be necessary for us to come out and repair any damaged sprinkler heads after you test your sprinkler system in the spring. Simply contact us and let us know of the necessary repairs. We will create a restoration ticket to get repairs scheduled. Once repairs are completed, we will reach out to you to confirm repairs were done to your satisfaction. If it was necessary to permanently bury the service drop prior to the in-home installation of your internet service, this post-installation step will not be necessary. Thank you for your support and patience during this entire process. Now you can sit back and enjoy BAM's high-speed fiber internet. If you're happy with your BAM Broadband fiber internet, go to bambroadband.com/refer-a-neighbor. If they get internet service installed, each of you will earn rewards. There is no limit to the number of people you can refer. Thank you for being a BAM Broadband customer.